So this is the prototype to simulate the real world problem. This part simulates the transformer. Okay, so transformer has three outputs: phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and a neutral. This is phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and this is the neutral. This part will be connected to the transformer and will send the data to the server right here. It is right now sending the data. As you can see, there is the data collected by this. So it is showing that the 0.256 amperes is being consumed. Now this server will collect the data from this device. This device will be connected to the consumer side and will send the data to the server shown before. Okay, now let's see the server is saying that 0.257 ampere currents is being withdrawn by that meter, and the transformer is also outputting the same current. It means there is no energy theft. Now let's see what happens if we do an energy theft. So here is the bulb to simulate the energy theft. This is what we call kunda. Okay, so energy theft is being done. Now let's see what our server says. Now let's see what happens if we do energy theft. So the kunda is connected and energy is being theft. Now let's see what are so this is a server connected to the transformer side meter. So it shows that 0.69 amperes is being withdrawn. Now let's see this. It says 0.257 amperes is being withdrawn. It means there is some kind of leakage current. Let's see what our software says. So here the theft detected at phase 1 of transformer 92309 and whatever the ID is. Okay, so the ID is the SIM card connected to this. Okay, I have plugged a SIM card in this. Okay, so that ID is that number. This has its own ID, okay, which resembles to the SIM card connected into it. Okay, now let's see what happens if someone tries to connect this with another phase like this one. Now our software knows that this phase is not connected to any meter. Now let's see what happens. The server is being refreshed. Now we can see the energy theft is detected at phase 2. Okay, now because the software knows that there's no meter connected to this phase, so there's no load connected to this, then there should not be any current flowing through this. But this CT is detecting that 0.432 ampere is being withdrawn. Okay, now what if the legit user wants to do theft? Now some users have rotary switches in their houses, so what they do, sometimes they use the meter for power and sometimes they use the theft energy.